Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Begin by opening Tools folder and choosing Recorder app. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can tap on this red button right away to start my recording after tapping on Don't Allow. As you can see now, it's on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the same button. Now, if you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon, and if you wish to edit and save it, click on the check mark. Now you can name your recording however you wish to, and delete it right away by choosing Delete, or save it by choosing OK. Following that, to access list of your recordings, click on this button, the right one, and to play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it now, you need to go back, hold it, tap on this delete icon at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!